students, chapter Save Jamuni, page number 23. Today we are going to read from page number 23 as we have already finished page number 22 in our last class. Karan and Karim liked watching the birds. When the birds brought the twigs in their beaks to make the nest, Karan and Karim loved to watch the birds doing that. Okay? Once a year, the tree would be full of purple jamuns, and once a year, the tree fills with purple jamuns. Karan and Karim would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. And what did Karan and Karim do? They collected the jamuns for themselves also. They also ate them and also collected for their family members. They had named the tree Jamuni, and also they gave a name to the tree Jamuni. And what is the meaning of Jamuni? The purple one. One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men at Debu Chacha's tea stall. A tea stall is a small tea shop. Okay? One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men at Debu Chacha's stall. And one of the men asked, "Can you tell us the way to the forest?" One of the men was asking, "Can you please tell me the way to the forest?" One of the men asked Debu Chacha. After that, the men left for the forest. Karan said, "What will this man do with the axes? We must find out." Karan was curious to know why these men are asking the way to the forest and why are they taking the axes in their hands. We must find out. Let's go to the forest, said Karim. So, they wanted to know what these three men are going to do in the forest. That is why both of them went to the forest. On reaching the forest, and when both of them reached the forest, they heard a noise, thuk, thuk, thuk. The strangers were cutting down some trees. These three men were strangers. Karan and Karim did not know them, okay? They were not from their village. Three of them were cutting down some trees. "Stop that!" Karan and Karim shouted loudly. "Why are you cutting down the trees?" When Karan and Karim saw the three men were cutting the trees, they shouted, "Stop that! Why are you cutting down the trees?" Then one of the men said angrily, "Go away, boys, don't disturb us." Among these three men, one of the men said angrily, "Go away from here, don't disturb us." The man would soon cut down Jamuni too. So Karan and Karim were very much tensed that these men are going to cut down the Jamuni too. So Karan and Karim did not like trees being cut down because both of them liked all the trees in the forest. "Let's go and ask our teacher for help," said Karim. And what did Karim say? "Let's go and we will ask help from our teacher." The boys ran all the way to their teacher, and both of them, Karan and Karim, ran to their teacher's house. For today, only this page we have finished. In our next class, we will be finishing the chapter, the next page. So, practice reading the chapter at home and complete your homework and submit it on time.